Leli cala lithe liqala nje kwaxoshwa ummeli womculi uKelly Khumalo uMagdalene Munsami kulandela ukungagculiseki kwabameli babasolwa ngokuba khona kwakhe kulesicawu. uMunsami ubese enkantolo ezoqapha ukuqhubeka kwaleli cala kanti ijaji linqume ukuthi engakwazi ukubuya enkantolo uma uKhumalo esethula ubufakazi.
We have now come to an understanding which you don't seem to be vehemently opposed to, that for the sake of the purity of the process and in particular the evidence in this case, you will excuse us from the courtroom. As to what you do when you are outside, it's not in our terrain.
Kubese kubizwa ufakazi wombuso wokuqala iphoyisa uThabo Mosia nowayesendaweni yesigameko ngemva kokudutshulwa kuMeyiwa. uMosia uchaze ngezinto ayithola endaweni yesigameko.
I then protected and secured some visible evidence found on the kitchen floor, which was a bullet jacket, a black white hat, Scotch hat, and a walking stick. I processed the scene for photography and forensic investigation.
uMosia uthi waphindela endaweni yesigameko ngakusasa ephelezelwa elinye ithimba lamaphoyisa.
And as we were investigating, then we followed the movement of the bullet, which was the bullet hole which was at the back of the door, kitchen door. We traced the movement of the bullet and managed to find the bullet on the kitchen top of the kitchen unit.
Leli cala liyaqhubeka.